Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This week I'm going to make a woodland mallet again. In my last video I made a woodland mallet, in fact this woodland mallet, and I used a saw and a knife to make it. This time, however, I'm going to make another mallet, but I'm going to use my axe to make it. I've got a piece of sycamore here again, so it's from the same log, so that's my material. Now, you can see we've got a couple of sizable knots on that, so first things first, we'll get rid of that. Like so. Now what I'm going to do is carve my handle into it. So about there's about my hand width. So what I'm going to do, hold the piece of wood at a slight angle. I've got the axe up here, so my hand is definitely up closer to the head, so I'm strangling my axe. I have done a video before on strangling or choking an axe and the uses for it and the benefits of it. So I'm going to take a little chop in, turn the log, a little chop in and turn it. So every time I chop in here, I'm turning a piece of wood. Hoping very much that when I go all the way around, my cuts all join up. So I'm essentially just biting into the wood every time. So you can see I've got this feathering going on now. So what I could do at this stage is get my axe in here, pick the axe and the piece of wood up and bash them both down onto the stump. Like so. And you can see it's starting to shape up into something of a handle already. It is thinner at this end than at this, so I just need to get it the same diameter all the way down. So we're more or less there. Tidying that up a wee bit. So this end, I'm just going to take a little chamfer off it. So I can't just do this out of habit, really. Just chamfering around. I just put my mask back on my axe. That's relatively smooth as a handle. I'm not going to get any splinters from it, but I am just going to take a couple of minutes here just to kind of smooth it off a wee bit with my knife. And so I'm making a cut, turning the piece of wood. So, and there, in very short order, I have a woodland mallet, a very useful tool. So I've now got two. So we've got the one that I made a couple of weeks ago, the one that I've just made now, with an axe, with a knife and a saw. My preference is this kind of mallet with the axe. Partly it's quicker to make, it's easier to make because the axe is that much more efficient as a tool. The other reason I like it, though, they do tend to last a little bit longer if we carve them with an axe. So here we've got a very hard finish, so it comes down, it's 90 degrees, so they can snap off where the handle meets the body of the mallet. Whereas this variation, where we axe it, it's a more gradual kind of curve going into it. So it is structurally, it is more robust, it is stronger. They tend to last that little bit longer. So yeah, this is my preference for making a mallet. This will work perfectly well as well though. So depending on where you are with your bushcraft, if you're kind of in the position where you're using a knife and a saw for most of the things you do, then go for this version. If you're more competent with the axe, then maybe think about going for this version. I hope that's something that you found useful, something that you can incorporate into your own bushcraft skill set. I shall endeavour to get some more content out next week. Make sure you don't miss out on that. You can subscribe either to our YouTube channel or to our blog, either of which are Jack Raven Bushcraft. In the meantime, take care.